Okay guys, time check 2:52, so it's 7 minutes na po since we cooked we set our rice cooker and cooked the rice. The pot is hot. Hello guys, ayun na nga po guys, at ako ay napag-utusan na magluto ng rice. Liit na rice cooker. My husband bought it brand new. Tingnan nyo. Malaki pa ang aking kamay, right? Looks like a toy. So we bought it from Kmart. Right, Kmart. So I already washed and rinsed the rice. Only 1.5 cup maximum. So, ayan po siya guys. Diba? Diyos ko po. Sinta lang siya ng same size like a bowl, small bowl. My palm or my hand's bigger than this. But anyway, so this will be the first time that I will use this very cute rice cooker. So what I'm gonna do is let me try to make my phone stand properly. What do you call this, guys? Properly capturing our rice cooker. Ayan. There you go. Oh, he won. It's good enough. Isn't it good enough? So this is so cute, but don't get me wrong. And when I check the information, it says 200 watts for the power consumption. But this bigger rice cooker at the back, I know it consumes like 1,000 watts. But this, okay, better for saving or making your electric bill lower. Alright, this will be the first time guys that I will be using this. So ayan, nakakabit naman na siya sa ilalim magically. And yeah, saksak na po natin siya. Connect to the power mains. There you go. Turn it on. Ooh! So what's happening? What's happening guys? There, the moment I plug it there, so this light lit it. So we're gonna press this there. That means cook. So time check. What time is it now? Time check guys, it's 2:45 here. Let us try to understand specifically how long it would take to cook the rice from this very cute and very tiny cost-effective rice cooker. I know most Filipinas can relate that once it's cooked, the kanin is not enough. Especially me. I eat plenty of rice. Sometimes I eat like 2 cups. Not more than 2 cups anyway. Or sometimes less. So yeah. Isn't it cute guys? There you go. I'll get back to you after this is done, or the rice is cooked inside. Then we will check the time. Okay. Hello guys, time check. Let's so alas 3 na po, 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. and I can see it's boiling. Okay, so ginagamit ko yung video camera. Can you hear it guys, that it's boiling? Apology for my husband's TV. It's playing right now. So is watching I don't know if it's a series or a movie. That's the noise that you're hearing, guys. But what I want to say is I can confirm that what's inside is already boiling. Okay, you can see that. Diba? After 15 minutes, there's an improvement, or there's cooking time. Yes. You'll check back again later, guys. Okay. It's boiling loudly na po on the side. You can see the bubbles and what do you call that? The steam. There you go, guys. Can we usok? Ayan, here. This is an ice maker. Kita nyo po, guys. Ayan, nakulok na siya. Natin diba? Makulo ng ating tiny pressure rice cooker, not pressure cooker, but rice cooker. So yes, 3 o'clock and 10 minutes. Right. So good enough for me and my husband for this rice. 1.5 cup. Tapos yung cup looks like smaller than, or maybe same size, but it's a little wider, kaya masasabi ko na maliit siya. So can you see the guys? There you go. Ayan sharing yung steam niya. Still slitted at the bottom. Cook. I want to know what time it will switch to warm. This one from here to here. That's the time lapse or time stamp that I would want to know. Cooking. Rice is live, syempre. This rice is jasmine. Most of the rice that's available here in Australia, they have their own harvested rice, local rice as well, but it's expensive, guys. Sometimes you can buy like per 100 grams. Hindi kagaya sa atin, yung 1 kilo, napakaliit, diba? Pero may ganun, may 500 grams, may 100 grams, may 900, 800, may 1 kilo, but it's expensive. And then there's available rice as well from the grocery shop shelves that are basmati, rice from Thailand. This one is from Thailand, so I basically buy Lion brand jasmine rice from Thailand only from a Filipino shop kasi mas mura po doon, tsaka in 10 kilos per bag. So guys, I believe malapit na ito siya. Look at that. Look at the steam, guys. Steamy pa rin siya. Oh, look. I think in a matter of few seconds or minute, the light will transfer to that. Sakit pa naman tiyan ko. Parang gusto ko na mag-CR. Hurry up! Hurry up! I'm just waiting, guys. Come on. Make it warm settings. Tingnan nyo, right, guys, look. Not much water inside. It is very evident. It's less. And the steam, consistent pa rin yung usok. I'm waiting, rice cookie, I'm waiting. Let me see. Come on. Hirap naman magluto. I'm waiting, guys. Look at that. Okay, tiisin na natin to. Let's wait until the light will be at the top. Warm setting. I think in less than a minute it will be. Come on. I'm standing here. So, ano din siya, guys? Parang nasa 20 minutes. It's taking like 20 minutes already. So, similar din siya ng regular rice cooker. It's just that the quantity and the power consumption is way cheaper or below or lower using this smaller pot rice cooker. So, mas makakatipid. Total, kami lang naman mostly ng asawa ko nandito eh. So, much better to use this. It's actually his suggestion. It was actually his choice to buy this, not mine. Kasi sabi ko, when I look at it, it's so small. And I was laughing. Sabi ko, di mo na mabubusog dyan. And then he said, sometimes it's only used eating rice. Might as well use this one. Sige, siya naman namili eh. Ayan na rice. Come on, give it to me, baby. What's good thing about this rice is the aroma of the jasmine is mabango. Smells good. Aromatic rice while boiling and while it's cooking. Guys, may steam pa rin siya. Come on. Naubos na lahat ng foggy sa loob na steamy, watery kind of thing. Clear na siya, no, guys. There. Tiisin na natin yan, Parang toy lang siya. It's very small, guys. I'm telling you. Cute. Come on. Make it up here. Change the light settings, please. Pero ayun pa rin yung kami niya pa rin sinisingaw na uso ko, guys. Bango talaga ng rice na to. So I only follow the instruction, like the amount of rice and the amount of water. There's a line actually on this pot, and I followed strictly up to which, oh, there you go. Finally, I captured it, guys. So there's a timestamp here on my camera, about 9 minutes. So when I was started talking, this is additional 1 on 9. So when I said 3 o'clock, so it's like 3:10. I started it at around 2:45, so 45 to 15 minutes plus 10, so 20 to 25 minutes, guys. Okay, so alright, I'll be ending the video. Thank you so much, and I'm very happy with this rice cooker. There's still some steam, as you can see, guys, but warm settings na po siya. Alright. Salamat po sa inyong walang sawang panonood, and continue supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I'll try my best to add those comments on the side, either left or right side of this video, of this vlog, and just to show appreciation about your comments, regardless if it is from my live stream or regular vlog video. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.